Want to reduce cellulite in your legs? Watch this video to learn how to minimize its appearance. 1. Regular exercise and strength training help tone muscles and decrease cellulite. You can add squats, lunges, and leg lifts to your routine to target your legs. Strength training increases muscle mass, circulation, and smoothness in general. 2. Cellulite management requires a well-balanced diet and hydration. Eat fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and extra salt, which can increase cellulite. Drinking enough water flushes pollutants out and improves skin suppleness. 3. Try using massage and topical treatments to reduce leg cellulite. Dry brushing and cellulite massages increase circulation, break up fat deposits, and decrease cellulite. Caffeine, retinol, and collagen topicals may also temporarily enhance skin texture and minimize cellulite. These treatments can sometimes be effective for short periods, but they usually require long-term use.